Now that I've just went out and wasted $21 on a, belt for this piece of shit, let's go try her out. Ooh, brand new. Let's do it. Fucking door handle. Radio works.
The boys hang at Warncliffe Chrysler.
Oh, fire's right up now. Kind of like that, eh, buddy? Can't river too hard with a bad crank. Oh, listen to that knock. Knock, 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 knock. Anyways. Cruise in the corn. That's working. She's spinning. Got lots of power. Vultures are waiting for me. Oh, it's nice to have power steering now. Oh, on the racetrack. Jump! Oh, holy God! It's hard to do that with no seatbelt on. Gives you a real throw. She's working good. Shifts too soon. It's got like highway gears on it. Not for performance at all. It's working good, but not as good as that Saturn. That's for sure. You can't kill a Saturn. Ugh. Oh, that sounds kind of sick. Oh well. Hard to believe the same company made that.